Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of Class 3 English. So, as we know, students, we have completed till Unit 4. And so today we are going to start our Unit 5th, which is swimming. Let's go to Activity 1. List some of the indoor and outdoor games that you like to play. Now, look at the pictures given below. So you can see, students, here a person is swimming. We have a swimming pool. We can say a water park, theme park. So students, we have to discuss this with friends and name the sports. It's very much simple. And this is a fun activity. You have to do it on your own. Like how many students in the class know how to swim? We are in an online class, so we can't do this right now. Rather, we will have a fun activity when we will meet again in a physical class. Okay, students? Like, do their parents or brothers know how to swim? Where do they go for swimming? Ask your friends whether he or she visited any water park. Describe the fun you had there. So, without any further ado, let's get to activity second. Enjoy the poem. Swimming. When all the days are hot and long, and Robin Bird has ceased his song, I go swimming every day and have to finest kind of play. I have learned to dive and I can float as easily as I does a boat. I splash and plunge and laugh and shout till daddy tells me to come out. It's much too soon. I would like to cry, for I can see the ducks go by. And daddy duck, how I love him, how he lets his children swim and swim. I feel that I would be in luck if only I could be a duck. This is a poem by Clinton Scollard. And this is the whole poem about. I must brief you, students, that a person wants to swim and he splash, plunge, and laugh and shout, and he enjoys the swimming. But his daddy tells him to come out. He feels so cry, and he wanted to be a daddy duck because the daddy duck always allows his children, those are the baby ducks we can say, allow his children to swim and swim because they are always in water. So he wanted to be a duck. Keywords: seized, stopped, float, keep oneself on the surface of water, splash, make water fly up, cause water to flow on something in scattered drops, plunge, go deep into water. These are the keywords from our poem. So students, let's move to activity 3. Match A with the images which are in B. Dive. Dive we can say to go on water. So we will match this dive with here. Just look at my cursor. This is dive. The other one is float. Float means as the duck is floating on water, to stay on the water or to stand still on water, we can say float. Boat. We can easily say that this line is going and here is their boat. Now Robin Bird. Here we have a Robin Bird. Just look at my cursor, students. Then plunge. Plunge means I can say to go deep into water. This is plunge. Splash, as we seen in the keywords, to move water up and cause in a scattered drops. Now, students, let's move towards the activity fourth, which is of part A. Answer the following questions, and part B. State whether the following statements are true or false. So, students, here we are. Chapter 5, Activity 4. Answer the following questions. Which season is the boy talking about? The boy is talking about summer season. What is the boy's daily activity? The boy's daily activity is swimming. What does the boy do while swimming? The boy dives, floats, splashes, plunges, laughs, and shouts while swimming. How does he feel when his father asks him to stop swimming? feels to cry when his father asks him to stop swimming. Fifth one, and we can say the last question for part A. Why does the boy like Daddy Duck better than his own daddy? The boy likes Daddy Duck because he allows his children to swim more compared to his father. So obviously he wanted to swim each and every time, and his father is not allowing him to swim for a longer time. So he always wanted that Daddy Duck. Write true or false in the box. Just look at the highlighted words T and F. T represents true, F represents false. So, first one, the boy starts crying when he is called by his father. Obviously, true because he wanted to swim, but his father is not allowing him to swim for longer time. So, yes, he tries to cry, he starts crying. True. The boy has a keen desire to be a duck. Yes, true. Because he always wanted to be in a water. The boy compares himself with a robin. False. He is not comparing with a robin. He is comparing with a duck. So obviously the third one is false. Fourth, the boy envies the young ones of the duck. True. Yes, he is envious because he is jealous that he is not able to swim for longer time, and the young ones of the duck are always on the water. Fifth, the boy considers himself lucky. False. He is not still a duck, so he is not comparing himself lucky. His father always called him and always starts to cry. So he is not lucky. The answer of this question is false. Sixth and the last we can say. The boy feels that he hasn't been allowed to play to his satisfaction. Yes, he knows that he is not allowed always to swim for a longer time. So the answer is true. So we have completed till activity 4th of this chapter 5. So students, we'll continue in the next lecture